Hey guys, Caroline here from Garden Goods Direct. Today I'm showing off one of our best sellers. This is the American Pillar Arborvitae. So this little guy might not look like much, but they actually grow 3 to 4 feet per year. And so in a few short months, you can have something that looks a little bit more like this. So just 8 of these trees can make a full 20-foot row of privacy trees and just kind of create your little private oasis. So these are pretty awesome. They stay green year-round. They're really hardy to the elements, so they can handle snow, sleet, ice, any of that kind of stuff, and just remain this gorgeous, vibrant green color all year. They make a great backdrop for other sort of garden plants. Really, this dark green color makes those other colors pop. Yeah, they're just a pretty great 10 out of 10 tree.